Malaki oh.
Wow,
Okay,
bagong
oh.
kanilang kapital niyo ba?
Pwede ka pictorial sa
Under construction pa to, di ba?
Yes. Is Guimaras part of Iloilo?
Yes.
It's a no, one of the province no town.
It's Iloilo money pa rin.
No, it should have their own money.
They're a municipality.
Municipality ba?
O city ba siya?
Province siya.
Ha?
Province.
So may Guimaras signage pa dito.
Picture nga tayo. Kita ko dyan.
Oh my
No
God.
entry,
Oh, province siya.
May selfie stick ako dito.
Tapos ang capital is Jordan. Grabe.
no parking, no entry doon.
Okay, doon para
Doon sa kabila ka mag-entry.
Yeah, pwede ka
Okay, let's
ikat ka
put
lang.
the selfie stick here.
Ito, pwede ka mag-picture dito. Maganda
Yeah,
oh.
mag-picture tayo dyan.
Really? Hindi pala.
Ano, it's separate?
It's not a part of Iloilo. It's a
Separate
it
province?
was once a sub-province, but now it's a separate independent province.
Yay!
It gained its provincial status in 1992 after plebiscite.
Kagaling mo.
Grabe, kaya pala,
Pleb.
dear plebby.
Nagpasok mo lagi mo doon, no? Nagpasok lang tayo muna for picture,
There
oh.
is a sign sa campus.
Yun, oh, nagkono. Ayun, oh, may
You can...
sumunod sa
Hindi
atin.
man siya nag-ano.
Ano, atik-atik na yung signage pala. Kasi wala mo nag-enforce. No.
Lagay no entry.
Ba't-
Ano to ba? Grabe tong rule breaking na to.
Gusto ko pasok eh. Maglakad na tayo.
Saan ka parking dito? Bawal naman dito din. Yun naman yun, oh. Diyan naman mga tourist, oh.
Do what people do.
Will they, kuhan? Will they...
Di ba?
Oh, see, mag-alis ka lang. They allowed. May police nga sa harap, oh.
What are your thoughts?
Rule breaker.
You can just walk. We are going to be detained in...
Really? There's nothing wrong with walking? That's a miracle.
Huli ng girl, oh. Sabi niya. Hinuli pa namin.
Ano? Sa harap. Yan, oh. See? Okay.
There's no law if no one enforces it.
Come on, come on.